Hi guys, and welcome to another quick look Surface RT video. In this video I want to show you a good feature of the browser and a not so good feature of the browser. In general, the Internet Explorer app on the Surface RT is very good, but I just want to focus on two things today. So in this particular example, I've been scrolling back and forth between a couple of websites, and I want to go maybe forwards or backwards. Now, in order to do that, I would have to scroll up from the top or the bottom to get the context menus, and then I've got two arrows here to go backwards and forwards. Well, I don't have to do that. What I can do instead is just press on the screen and then either flick back or flick forward, like that, and it goes back to the previous page. If I want to go forward again, just flick it forward, and I've also gone beyond this page and I can flick forward again. Now, what this feature is if you go to the charm bar on the right hand side and select Settings, Internet Options, there is this flip ahead feature, which is quite nice, and what it means you can do is you can do this quick navigation on screen without having to bring up the settings. You have to turn it on. It's defaulted to turn off, so you just have to turn it on. The one thing is that your browsing history is sent to Microsoft, so if you don't want that to happen, obviously you'll have to keep the feature off. But it's a nice little feature that I quite like as I'm scrolling around. The one thing I'm not too keen on is that when it goes back, sometimes it refreshes the page, and I don't necessarily need it to do that. Usually I just want to go back to the page. I don't need to reload, but there it is again, refreshing the page for no reason. Okay, one of the things I don't particularly like about the browser is the fact that in order to get to a website, you have to bring up one of the options. So the web address is not always on screen. I would like there to be an option to do that. Obviously, you always have it on screen in desktop mode. If you press on the web address, it brings up the keyboard. And one of the other things I don't particularly like is that it has the pinned websites here, and then it has the frequent websites here, and then after that it has your favourite websites. So it's kind of putting the favourite websites a bit at the bottom of the shelf underneath the drawer, and it's a bit difficult to get to it. I mean, I do not want to have to do this to get to my favourites. I don't want to have to, let me just get off, I don't want to swipe up, go to the web address, and then scroll to favourites. They're not really favourites, really, if you have to go that far. But anyway, it's a bit of a drawback, but it's not too annoying. It's just a little niggle, and I'm sure, and I hope, that Microsoft will listen to general comments, as this has come up in a lot of opinions on the Surface RT, and it just needs a little bit fixing. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon in another Surface RT video.